Hey guys, Brent Whitaker here. Just wanted to show you a new project we're working on here in Rancho Santa Margarita. Just helped a client get into a new single family home. He was the original owner of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here in Rancho Santa Margarita in Melinda Heights. As he's the original owner, the home is a little bit of rough shape. He hasn't done a lot to it. And so now we're going to take over and freshen this thing up. So I want to make a quick video, show you what we're doing, take you inside, show you what it looks like now, and we'll take you through the process of the transformation and show you what it looks like when we get it ready to list and sell, probably in about 3 or 4 weeks.